Markus, thank you so much for joining us again. Welcome back. We're at this amazing stand at WETEX. I know you're a very busy man, as we were previously discussing, so again, we really appreciate you joining us. I suppose we want to start off as, well, firstly, congratulations. Congratulations on the launch of this innovative system solutions. Could you start by sharing what makes, in your words, what makes this wastewater treatment solution unique and why it represents a major milestone for AERZEN?
Yeah, I'm thinking we should start in 2019, yeah?
Okay.
Everybody knows AERZEN Maschinenfabrik is very, very famous. Everybody knows AERZEN Maschinenfabrik from the machine side. We deliver the machines more than 15, 16 years in the wastewater treatment sector. And in the last 6 years, we have made a complete transforming process from a machine manufacturer to a complete system supplier, yeah? Okay. To realize this, we have also to look what are the requirements in the markets, and we need time for this. And what I can say today, with a lot of proud, we launch our system solutions approach consists with 4 elements. The first element is that we can make the complete system into system engineering in the beginning of the projects. Parallel to this, via this transforming process, we have also bought different companies. And with these companies, we are able to deliver a complete aeration system. Okay. What does it mean exactly? This is our unique feature, what we have. We are able to deliver pipe aerators, we can deliver disc diffusers, and we can deliver also a high efficient aeration systems, these are the aeration panels from Messner. And now we have the possibility to combine these aeration elements also with our machines consisting with blower, hybrid, and turbo machine. Okay. And this is absolutely unique in the market. Now we have the possibility to react completely flexible for the customer. We can make the system engineering. We are involved in this project, and then we can react if we have to look more to the CapEx side or if we are looking more to the OpEx side. Yeah, and we have for each requirement, we have the tailor-made solution for the customer. And at the moment, we are complete unique for this. A lot of people know our performance cube concept for the machine side. I can say now we have exactly the performance cube concept also for our aeration elements. Yeah,
amazing.
No other competitor is able to deliver such a big or such a broad field of combination. And that makes the systems absolutely unique and at the moment really unbeatable.
How proud are you of where we are now? Of the systems, of the technology?
Our concept is we have not the focus to the components. The most important thing is we are looking that we have to interlock all these teams, all the systems together.
Yeah.
That means, let me explain it in an example. Yeah. Okay. We have a complete project, concrete project, and we start normally, or the most important component is the aeration elements. If we start with the aeration elements, then we can check at first what are the real data, what we have to achieve each day. We analyze at first the systems, then we evaluate what we are doing there. Yeah. And if we have this, then we can also set up a model inside of the wastewater treatment plant. And if we have this, then we can create the dynamic curves of this. We have a real-time data management system. Yeah. At the moment, very, very often the system's running with a fixed value. Yeah. And then all machines want to try or want to realize exactly these fixed values. Yeah. In the future, our system solution approach is thinking we are looking that we can realize the dynamic curve.
How do you see the solution supporting wastewater treatment operations in the Middle East and contribution to regional net zero targets as SDGs?
Yeah, in this region here, it will also play a big role. Yeah, we have water scarcity here. Yeah, and energy consumption play every time a bigger role. Yeah, and especially for this region here, we have yesterday in conference, and I could see at the moment the mindset, especially here in the region, is the price. Yeah, bring the best solution with the best price. Yeah, but then we have to see we have a field of conflict between the end user and the plant manufacturer. This is my experience, what I can see here over the last 10 years. Yeah, the end user is interesting to have a reliable system at first. Then he want to have high energy efficiency and a long life cycle time of the complete components what are inside. On the other side, we have the plant manufacturer. He have a completely different point of view. He have to sold the complete plant, but he is in competition with other competitors. Yeah, and therefore the money play a big role. Yeah, but if we can make now a complete, a complete new setup from this, we have to go into discussion with the end user, and we have also to persuade the engineering office what is between the end user and the plant manufacturer. And these both parties have to understand our concept. Yes, of course, a system solution approach can cost a little bit more in the investment. But we have not to forget, we have to achieve this net zero target in 2015. And if we implement it now a little bit higher, or we implement a higher efficient system, yes, of course, it costs a little bit more money in the beginning. But let us talking about the return of investment. If we're talking about this, normally we say that by 15 euro, by 15 cents per kilowatt hours, this is the number. It makes sense to talking about energy efficient solution. This is not so. We can also realize this by 5-6 cents per kilowatt hours, because the return of investment is sometimes between 3 up to 4 years. Right. Yes, and if we are looking for this, after these 4 years, we earn money in the complete concept. Yeah,
Markus, just a last on a personal note, and we covered this in the podcast part, but what excites you most about this system, and what do you hope viewers and industry professionals will take away from future sustainable wastewater treatment?
I'm thinking in the next 5-6 years we have a complete transforming process regarding this topic, because our set generation, have a complete another mindset process. At the moment, a lot of people are in the middle management level or in the high level in my age group, and I'm thinking we have a complete another understanding from the technology, We are not so open-minded for new things, especially for digital systems, yesterday I could see this, the young peoples, learn this directly in the beginning of the engineering process, and then it's much more easier to do this. And if we have this transforming process, then I'm thinking, and this is the basic from all things, we are completely or much more open for these new things. And then I'm thinking it is also a better understanding that we can realize this also here in this region.
Thank you so much for your time, for coming to talk to us. Hope you'll join us again. I look forward to it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a great honor for me.